So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to look for PowerShell. It will either say Windows PowerShell or PowerShell.exe, or it might even say Terminal. So once you find that, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in Control Panel. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to make sure that next to View By, you have Category selected. And then you want to click on Programs. And then click on Turn Windows Features On or Off. And once you're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find Windows PowerShell 2.0. You want to untick it and then click on OK. Now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan_now and click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. It might take a while. Now once you complete that scan, you want to restart your computer, and then once you restart your computer, you want to head back into Turn Windows Features On or Off again, like how I showed you how to get here at the start of the video. Then you want to scroll down and then find Windows PowerShell. You want to tick it and then click on OK. Now once Windows PowerShell has been installed again, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.